Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Roblox servers are up and your network is stable. Once done, restart your router and your PC to clear transient network issues. This often resets NAT and socket states. Make sure to clear your browser cache or the Roblox client cache so stale files don't block connection. Next, disable VPNs and proxies, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus only to test the connection. This isolates whether local security is blocking ports. Now you dig into network configuration. Plug in Ethernet to reduce latency and packet loss, then run ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to refresh your IP lease. Once connected, flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons so domain lookups aren't cached incorrectly. Consider switching to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 for stability. Make sure UPnP is on and that high UDP ephemeral ports. 49,152 to 65 for final resolution. Fully reinstall the Roblox client. Uninstall. Remove Roblox folders from app data and program files, then install the latest client. Once reinstalled, log in and try a different Windows user account or another device to determine whether the problem is machine or account specific. If you still see error 279, collect connection logs and test on mobile or console to compare behavior. Make sure to mention whether ports, VPN, or firewall changes fixed anything when seeking help. This speeds troubleshooting and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.